I'm going to show you how to add friends in Duolingo. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and tap on duolingo.com over here, just type this in and you would be in this website. So once you're here, just look at these options over here. So now you can see learn, characters, leaderboards, quests, shop, and profile. Just go ahead and tap on profile, and once you're there, now look at this option that says add friends. So you can see add friends right over here. Just go ahead and tap on find friends, and you can search for your friends to their username or their name, or you can just tap on invite friends over here. Now you can invite your friends through this link. Just go ahead and tap on this option that says copy link, and once you're there, you can either share it on Facebook or Twitter, or you can personally send this link to them. So that's how you add friends in Duolingo.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.